time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test
to bring out the best in you. Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good evening one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. So as a part of our dream job placement, roadway to dream job. So today is lecture number 4 and we are going to deal percentages and how these percentages can be calculated very easily and used for our questions effectively. Now before start of the class, let me introduce myself. Me, NLN Sharma, and these are my scores in different examinations and these are my credentials. Now when you use my code NLN 10, now apart from the 10% discount what you get, now you will get the guidance of all these subjects. Now why me? Now I am ranked 33 in overall GATE and ESE category and rank 1 in mathematics and chemistry category, and I have dealt more than 50,000 students till now for CAT and UPSC and GATE and ESE. Now, is it only me? No, you will get my entire group guidance right from Bhima sir at last finally to me, right? And as you have seen in the video, the difference between plus and iconic. So the major advantage in iconic is you will be getting a personal coach, and literally he will be your guide up to your examination and even up to your interview process, right? You will get the best study material, instant qualitative material for you to prepare for each and every topic. Now how much you have to invest for this? Let us take for GATE and ESE. If you are opting for plus and if you are going for 24 months, so you have to invest 1650 rupees per month. On an average it will be 50 rupees per day. In this you will get the best professors in India to teach for you, right? So when you use my code NLN10, you will get 10% discount, and after 10% discount the price will be 27,225. Now the date is revealed from February 28th midnight, right? The 10% discount will be reduced to 5%, right? So I think you got the information. Now for iconic, the price will be 45,225 after discount. So on Unacademy, more than 3,000 members are following me, and I have done videos for right away from for CAT, UPSC, and all the examinations. Even the examination that was happened in January, Vizag, still I have done exclusive videos for them. So do try to follow me. This is the link to follow me on Unacademy. Yes. So let's not waste our time. So straight away I will go to the topic. So today I will be explaining you the basics of percentages, how to calculate percentages. Then I will go for the questions. Okay. Now first of all, what is percent? So I'll write down this percent. So decode this, which is nothing but per cent means 100, and this per 100 is represented with a denotation as this. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Now there are many methods to calculate these percentages. Let's see those methods. You can use your own method, or you can club those methods to solve the questions also. Let's see the first one. So the first one is unitary method. Now what do you do in this unitary method? The term itself is self-explanatory. Comparing anything with unit 1 is nothing but called unitary method. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. So you call some people use percentage method, some people use equivalence method, right? There are many methods. So let's see the thing there. Now see here, 100 percentage. As we are dealing with percentages, let's see 100 percentage. Now in 100 percentage, in unitary method, I will consider this 100 percentage as 1. So is it okay for you? Yes, perfectly. Or otherwise, you can easily prove it also. 100. So percentage meaning is by 100. Automatically your answer will be 1. Am I right or wrong? You will get the same meaning there, and you can use the same technique there. Perfectly done. Now let's come to the next one. So half of 100 is nothing but how much? 50 percentage. Yes. So write down each and every value in fraction. Don't write any point values, right? Write down only in fractions. 50 percentage is nothing but 1 by 2. Come to half of 50 is nothing but how much? 25 percentage, which is nothing but half of 1 by 2 is nothing but how much? 1 by 4. As I said, write down only in fractions. Right, now let's come to half of 25. Half of 25 is 12.5, and देखो इधर 12.5 is nothing but how much? Is it 1 by 8? Yes, perfectly 1 by 8. Now let us see how to calculate different values. Now if I ask you 37.5 percentage value in fraction, please let me know how do you calculate this 37.5 percentage value. So when you closely observe there, 12.5 makes you 37.5. 12.5 plus 12.5 is 25, plus 12.5 is 37.5. Now can I write down this as 3 by 8? 3 into 1 by 8. Is it clear? So 1 by 8 is 12.5. Am I right? So finally, can I write down this 37.5 as 3 by 8? Will you accept this? You can do multiplication, you can do addition also, right? So if you add this 2 also, you will get 37.5. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 will be 3 by 8 only. Done. So see here, so let me know one more value, 62.5. Anybody in the comment section box can say in fraction, right? I need in fraction. 62.5 is nothing but how many 12.5s make 62.5? 5 12.5s. Am I right or wrong? 50 contains 4 12.5s. One more 12.5, which is nothing but 5 by 8. Yes, perfectly. So that means what my idea is, complete most of your percentages can be converted into easy fractions where you can solve it very easily. Let's see one more value, 87.5. Please let me know how much is 87.5. Is it 1 minus, is it 100 minus 12.5? Yes, 1 minus 1 by 8 is how much? Is it 7 by 8? Perfectly right. Done. So what about the remaining fractions? You have done 1 by 2. Let's see 1 by 3. am writing down the fraction here. Now you have to say the percentage here. So 1 by 3 is nothing but how much, ma'am? Is it 33 1 by 3? 33 1 by 3 percentage is nothing but called 1 by 3. Up dekho, 33 3s are 99 plus 100. 100 by 3. Now percentage symbol can be written as 1 by 100. At last, finally, your fraction value is 1 by 3. Did you got my point there? So write down in mixed fraction. Don't write in point values. You can be very clear when you are calculating the things. 1 by 3 is over, 1 by 4 is over. Come to 1 by 5. Can anybody say in the comment section box how much is 1 by 5? Is it 20%? Yes, perfectly. Now let me know 1 by 6. Anybody in the comment section box? Don't say it as 16.66. Make it as mixed fraction, right? Can I write down this as 16 2 by 3 percentage? Am I right? Yes. 16 2 by 3 is how much, ma? 16 3s are 48 plus 2 50. 50 by 2 is nothing. 50 by 3 is nothing but 100 by 6. 100 by 6 is 1 by 6 only. Let me know the next one. 1 by 7. Anybody in the comment section box, right? Everybody know 14 7s are 98 plus 2 is 100. So this is 14 2 by 7. 1 by 8 is already over. Come to 1 by 9. Anybody in the comment section box? Be active, right? 11 9s are 99 plus 1 100 by 9. Now this is 1 by 9. Come to 1 by 11. Anybody? 1 by 11 is nothing but 11 9s are 99 plus 100 percentage. Is it clear? Now see here, most of the percentages I have converted into fractions. Sir, is this the only method? No, there are many methods to solve now. So see here, some fractions are, some percentages are tough nuts to convert it into fractions. You take more time. If you take more time, and there is no need to use that method first of all. Is it right? So some percentages you take more time to convert into fractions. So that's why we have one other method for this. So what is that method? That is called distribution method. What is this distribution method here? I'll give with an example, then you can get a clarity. So the next one is distribution method. Yes. Now what is this distribution method? So let us take a value there. Let us consider in this class there are 1600 people. So it is over enthusiasm for me, but I'll take this, right? Let us take 1600 students are there in the class, in an auditorium. Up dekho, this total number you will be considering it to 100%. Will you accept this? Yes, perfectly. Let us remove 0 on left and right hand side, which becomes 10% value will become how much? Is it 160? Yes. Done. Up dekho, either 1% value will become how much? Is it 16? Yes. Now see here how I will solve the questions. Let's take one value arbitrary, right? So 47% of 1600. So you must not use any pen. You must not use any pen to solve it. So how do you break this 47% into simple parts without using any pen there? So see here, I will do like this one. I know 50% value, right? I know. Can you come again? So see here, I know 50% value. 50% value is nothing but how much? See here, I will break down this 47% as 50% minus 3%. Right? Now 50% minus, I know 50% value as 800. Am I right or wrong? Minus. Up dekho, 1% value is 16. Multiply with 3. Then automatically it becomes 48 and 3% value will be 48. Yes, my question is over. So my answer will be how much? 752. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know. Clean, done. 752. Did you get my point there? Perfectly done. So let's see some more examples, so that's why you can have a very good clarity. So I will solve this question. Let me know. So you say some value in the comment section box. I'll take that value only. What shall I take? What shall I take? So give me some value there. I'll take the 73 percentage. 73 percentage of 1600. It is your convenience, ma. You can do anything, right? You can write down 75 minus 2, or otherwise, see here, I know 50 percentage value 800. I know 20 percentage value 320. I know 3 percentage value 48. Is this entirely together 73 percentage? Please let me know. 8 6 1 1 6 8, and this is my answer. Now what my aim is, I don't want to stress my mind. I will break into many parts which I can calculate it very easily. That is my logic here. Or otherwise you can take the 75 percentage also. 75 percentage is 1200, and 2 percentage value is how much? 32, and you will get the same answer 1168. That's your wish. Arey sir, this is very easy. Let's little bit increase our toughness, right? So dekho, if I ask you this question, man, then what will you do? 67.5 percentage of 1600. Then what will you do? Please let me know in the comment section box. Ab dekho, my logic here is, sometimes you can use both the methods, distribution method and unitary method, combinedly together to find out the answer. अब देखो, I know 62.5 percentage value in fraction very easily, plus 5 percentage. Is it right? Now see here, 62.5 percentage is nothing but 5 by 8. Now 5 by 8 of 1600 is how much, ma? Is it 1000? Please let me know, yes or no. 5 by 8 of 1600 is how much? Is it 1000? Yes, perfectly, it is 1000. अब देखो 5 percentage value will be how much? 10 percentage value is 160. 5 percentage value will be 80. So finally your answer will be 1080. So you can use distribution method separately, unitary method separately, or sometimes you can use club together both the percentages. Did you got my point there? So let's see one more value there. So can I solve this one? Let's see, 57.5 percentage of 1600. Can anybody say in the comment section box what is the answer for this? So it is your wish, ma, right? I don't say that you have to use only this method, right? Ab dekho, I can do like this also. I know 50 percentage value 800. I know 5 percentage value. 50 is 800, 5 is 80 percentage. I know 2.5 is 40. So totally 57.5. So what is your answer there? Is it 920? Yes. Or otherwise you can do one more thing. I can write down this as 62.5 minus 5 percentage also. That will be 57.5. Will you accept this? Yes. So my aim is, what I am saying is, you can use any method as per your convenience. 62.5 is 1000 value. Now 55 percentage value is 80, and so your answer will be how much? Is it 920? Yes, you got the same answer in the both cases. Either addition or subtraction, it depends upon your own logic and your convenience, right? You must not use your desktop calci to solve those things. So this is what my aim is. Done. So these are the methods to calculate percentages. Let's use these methods to solve in the questions also. So I got questions combinedly together of alligation rule, percentages, ratio, proportions and variations combinedly together. So let's crack it. Now this is the question asked. Now plain general question, right? This type of questions are being frequently asked. Everything was given in the question itself. Ab dekho, they have given the definition of density. I'll write down the things there. Density of a material is defined as mass of the material divided by volume. So they gave the definition and they asked for the values there. So what is that? Mass by volume, it seems. Clear. Now, what is the point again? What is the point given there? The densities of three liquids. So I'll write down D as densities. Three liquids A, B, C. So they have given you some ratios. What I will do is I will take a common factor for this. Let us take a common factor called X there. So what will be the values there? Density of A will be X. Density of B will be 2X. Density of C will be 3X. Okay, done. Any other point given there? The three different masses. Yes, mass. I'll take mass as M, and mass is given as, ratios are given as 2:3:5. So I'll take a common factor called Y. So both cannot have same common factor. Observe that, right? You cannot take both common factor. There is no connection between them. So this is 2Y. This is 3Y, and this is 5Y. Yes. Now see here, this A, B, C are mixed together, it seems. This A, B, C are mixed together. Then what is the question asked? Find the ratio of overall density. Find the ratio of overall density of the new mixture to the density of the B. Now first of all, in order to find out density, you have to know the volume also. Am I right or wrong? So how to find out volume? Volume is equal to mass by density. I'll write down here volume. So volume definition, I'll rearrange this. Volume definition is mass by density. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Now find out volume there, and then we can find out the final answer there. So mass by density, right? Mass by density is 2Y by X. Here 3Y by 2X. Now here 5Y by 3X. Is it right? Yes. Boloma, these three are mixed, it seems, and you have to find out overall density. First of all, let's find out the overall density. Overall density is nothing but overall mass. Now what is overall mass? Please let me know. Overall mass is 2Y plus 3Y plus 5Y. Am I right? Now overall volume is how much? This is the volume. 2Y by X plus 3Y by 2X plus 5Y by 3X. Yes, this is overall density. Will you accept this? Yes, perfectly. And density of B, it's in. Density of B is how much? Everybody know it is 2X. Is it clear? Now, let me calculate all those values, then automatically you will get the answer there. What is the option there? Did anybody got the answer? Please let me know in the comment section box. Oh, so the ratio, you are asked to find out the ratio, it seems. How to find out ratio, ma? Any answers? Right, 2x, 3x, yes, very good. Now, what is the answer there? At last, finally, you will get this as 60x by 31 upon solving all those things. Yes, and again, the question asked is overall density is 60x by 31 and density of B is how much? 2x. So, finally, your answer will be how much? This is 62 and answer will be 30 by 31, and this is the question asked. Done. Right? Pure simplification, right? So take 3x as, now what is the, take LCM and find out the answers, you will get the answer, right? Or otherwise you can take the common factors also, which is very, very easy, right? Normal calculations. I think you got my point. Sometimes these type of questions will be there where you will be asked everything and you have to find out the values there. That's it. Normal easy question. So let's move on to the next one. Right. Now average based questions I have as already given you yesterday about the average. Now you have to solve this, right? Average marks scored by a class of 30 students in a math test was 74, it seems. So I'll write down the points. You can do it very easily, but I'll give the procedure and also the technique. Let's take like this. Average value. Average of the 30 students is given as 74, it seems. Number of students, n value is given as 30. Now see here, sum will be how much? Average into number of terms will be sum. 74 into 30. Yes. Now next point. But after updating the answer key, the answer of one question was changed. This resulted in 20 students getting 4 additional marks. Ab dekho, 20 students got 4 additional marks, which is nothing but 80. And 10 students got getting 2 marks deducted, means 10 into minus 2, which is nothing but minus 20. On an overall basis, 60 additional marks has to be added there. What is the new average score of the class is the ask. That's it, right? 73 fours are 12, 3 sevens are 21, triple 2 0 is the sum. How much was added? 60 marks was added. So what happens there? Triple 280 will be the sum. So you are asked to find out new average. This is the question asked. Let me know the answer in the comment section box. Anybody? New average is how much? New sum is 2,280 divided by 30. So the answer will be how much? 76. Yes. Ab dekho, there is no need to use all those things now. Those who know the exact definition of average, then you can automatically calculate it. I'll show you the technique there. Ab dekho, let us take these 4 numbers, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Now what is the average of these numbers? 5 plus 4 9, I mean 5 plus 5 10 15. Am I right or wrong? 15 by 5 and your average is 3. So dekho, average is nothing but this average 3 is dispersed equally to all the values. Ab dekho, I will write down 3 here, 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 I will write down 3 here. This average 3 is dispersed equally to all the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 3s are 15. And the same thing should happen here also. Ab dekho idhar. Additionally, how many marks was added? 60. This 60 has to be shared equally to all the 30 members. Am I right or wrong? Because this 60 has to be added to the sum. Is it right? Your 15, you are breaking them into 5 parts and giving each and every number to each and every value. Here also the same thing. 60 if you give to 30 members, each member will gain how much? 2. Now see here, 74 becomes 76. That's the answer. And there is no need to do all those things also. I think you got my point, what I am saying there. Yes, perfectly. This is the question asked in one examination. Let's see how many can solve this. First of all, those who write down the values perfectly can answer this question correctly. First of all, read the question there. So next question you have to solve it. This question I will be explaining you. Next question you have to solve it. Ab dekho, this is the question asked. 2 software professionals, Ranjan and Raman, had 108 floppies between them. Okay, that sum of the floppies together is 108. They sell them at different prices, but each receives the same sum, it seems. Okay, if Raman had sold this at Ranjan's price, he would have received 722, and if Ranjan had sold this at Raman's price, he would have received rupees 578. How many floppies did Ranjan have is the question asked. So this type of numerical based entry questions will be there in your examination for sure. Let's solve it. Let's write it perfectly first of all. So I'll take down like this. The first person is Ranjan. The second person is Raman. Okay. Then. So let's take like this. Number of floppies with Ranjan, I'll take it as X. Number of floppies with Raman, I'll take it as Y. Let's see at what price did Ranjan sold. So I'll take this as PA, price A, and I'll take this as PB. Now what is the total sum that Ranjan will get? Amount, or sum or amount, both are correct. No? I'll write down this as amount. So X into PA is nothing but the total amount obtained by Ranjan, and Y into PB is nothing but the total amount obtained by Raman. According to the data given there, the amount received by Ranjan and Raman is same, it seems. By this, what can I write? X into PA is equal to Y into PB. Am I right or wrong? I can write down this perfectly. And can I write down the same value as, for our convenience, PA by PB is equal to Y by X? Yes, I can write down this. So let's see later. Next, what is the point given there? X plus Y combinedly together is nothing but 108 according to the data it was given there. Now what is the point given there? If Raman sold his at Ranjan's price, so देखो इधर, if Raman number of floppies is Y, if he sold this at PA, he would have received 722 rupees. If Ranjan sold at Raman's price X into PB, then automatically he would have received how much? 578. Is it right? Yes. Now see here, I know PA by PB value is how much, ma? PA by PB value is Y by X. So final equation will become Y square by X square is equal to 722 by 578. So I'll write down like this, right? So see here, I can cancel this first of all. 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 2 1s are. Now 2 2s are 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are. अब देखो इधर 361 by 289. 361 is 19 square and this is 17 square. At last, finally, your Y by X value is 19 by 17. देखो, you got the ratio there. Am I right or wrong? So X is to Y is nothing but how much, ma? 17 is to 19. Ratio format, right? Now what is the question asked? How many floppies did Ranjan have? Now X plus Y is how much? 108. 17 plus 19 is how much? 36. 36 parts is equal to 108, and you are asked to find out Ranjan value, means X value, 17 parts value. How many of you got the answer there? 36 ones are, 36 threes are, 17 threes are 51. So your answer is 51 and A option, right? Perfectly done. So how many of you got this answer perfectly? Done. Very easiest question. Arya, try this question as I am solving many questions, right? This is an easy question. I will be giving you 2 minutes. Try this question there. Supposed to be very easy question, right? All the tough questions are done by me only. Don't worry about that. How will you solve this type of questions? A normal easy questions I have solved. I made you to solve these questions in logarithms also. And those who came to my class for logarithms, all these guys can easily get this. Nobody? Now if you are active only, you can solve the questions, right? If you are not active, I cannot do anything there in this case. Just coming to the class, leaving will not give you anything. "30 seconds more." "10 seconds more." Right? Nobody, yaar. What happened, right? Find the second part if 1162 is divided in three parts, it seems. First of all, this 1162 is divided into three parts. Let's take the first part as x, second part as y, and the third part as z. Right? So such that 4 times the first part, 4 into x is equal to 5 times the second part, yes, and 3 times 7 times the third part. Right? This is correct. Now this entire thing will be equal to some constant value k. We don't know about that. So can I write down this x as k by 4? Yes. And this y as k by 5, and this z as k by 7. Yes. What I will do is I will take an LCM for 4 comma 5 comma 7. Yes. So there is no common factor between 4 comma 5 comma 7. Directly I can take it as 4 5s are 20, 27s are 140. So my LCM is 140. So I will take this k value as 140, right? Then what will be my x value? Can I write down like this? My x value will be, I mean ratios will be, right? 140 by 4. 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 35. So I'll take down like this 35. This is okay. X part is 35. And what is y part? 140 by k. I'll take it as 140. So 5 1s are 5 2s are 10. 5 4s are 20. 24. Hi Manoj. What is z there? Is it 20? Yes, perfect. You got the ratio there. And what is the question asked? Second part value 24 is the question asked. So they go 35 plus 24 plus 20. Array, easy question here. 35 plus 24 plus 20 is nothing but 79. 79 is equal to 1162. And you are asked to find out 24 parts value. So let me know the answer there. 1162 into 24 divided by 79. So it is 3. So are we doing any mistake there? Are we doing any mistake there? Let me know. Anyone? Are we doing any mistake there? 5 2s are 10. Arey yaar. Sorry yaar. This is 28 yaar. मैं Abdullah, Sheikh Abdullah. This is 28. So focus on the things, right? 28. So this is not 79. So 35 plus, देखो इधर, this is the mistake what we are doing. 35 plus 28 plus 20 is 83. Now you are asked to find out 28 parts value, right? 1162 divided by 83 into 28 is nothing but 392, and your option number B satisfies there. A little bit highly calculative. Done. I think I got your point there perfectly. Yes, we have done it correctly. 392. Right. I want you guys to answer this question here. Manoj, answer. Let's see. So it's a pure when you. Right. So this is the question which was rounding off in many newspapers, right, since Corona pandemic. Let's see how many can answer this. In Republic TV, once it was asked as a logical puzzle, and this was Shakuntala Devi's logical puzzle, right? Do try to solve it. Any answers? I forgot to give the poll here. Any answers? Nobody here. Right, chalo, I'll solve it. अब देखो, two mathematic genius meet after 20 years it seems. One of them says, I am married and have 3 daughters. One mathematics professor said that he is married and he has 3 daughters. The product of their ages is 72 it seems. Let's take like this. Let us take those 3 daughters as X, Y and Z. The main point here is they are asking you X into Y into Z is nothing but equal to 72 it seems. Their ages, X, Y, Z are ages now. Age of first daughter, second daughter, vice versa, right? Your combination values. The sum is same as my house number. Arey yaar, if you add the ages X plus Y plus Z, you have to get the house number of this mathematics professor it seems. Arey yaar. Okay, what is this house number? No value is given there. Now how will you solve this? Ab dekho, other verifies the house number and says, but I cannot find it out. The first says my eldest daughter, right? The second one tried to figure it out, but he couldn't do it. Then the first one says my eldest daughter has blue eyes it seems. Okay, find the eldest daughter age. So how will you solve this? Normally what you do is you will write down all the probabilities. Let us write down the probabilities, right? X, Y, Z ka probability, which makes 72, and write down the house number here. Okay, so can I write down this as 12? 12 6 are 72, 1, and my house number will be 19. Will you accept this perfectly? Let me write down one more thing. So 8, 8, 3, 3. Is it 72? Yes. Now the answer will be 14. Yes, perfectly. And can I write down this as 6, 6, 2. 6 2s are 12, 72. Yes, again the answer will be 14. So in this way you can write down many probabilities. 9, 8, 1. Am I right or wrong? Again you will get this as 18. So in this way you can write down infinite number of probabilities. Writing down 72 into prime factors, you can write down many chances. But in all these chances, when you closely observe there, only these two in these two chances your house numbers are coming same. See here, you are not getting one more 19, you are not getting one more 18 or any other number, you are not getting any other number again, but only 14 is repeating twice. Ab dekho, normally what you do is, I made you to go into I asked you to go into a lane and check the house number. There are some 20 houses, right? So out of these 20 houses, only for 2 houses the numbers are same. All the remainings are different. So automatically your eyesight will go to that house numbers where the house number matches. Am I right or wrong? The second one also have gone to these 2 houses and at last he decided it, but he couldn't decide the age of the daughters. Then what the first one said, the eldest daughter has blue eyes it seems. So by this logic, see here you have to remove this option because these 2 are twins and you cannot say who is elder daughter. Eldest daughter matlab the first kid. So you have to take this option, and 8 is the age and 8 is the answer. Is it clear? So this is one of the logical based question which was asked in many newspapers. Do try to solve these type of questions. Certainly your mind will be improved, right? For campus placements you will be asked this type of puzzles very much. I think I am clear. Yes. Now let's come to this question. again. So one general based question. Yes, one general based question. Do try to attempt this. So every day the questions will be like this in this session. Will be given very good puzzles. Do try to attempt those puzzles. There are coins of 5 rupees, 2 rupees, 1 rupee 50 pies, 25 pies, 10 pies, and 5 pies. It's a question based on variation. Let's see how many can solve this. Any answers? 40 seconds more. So every question will have a twist from here. Thirty seconds more. Manoj, answer. अब देखो, there are coins, it seems, in some denominations that was given in the question. Each one has a weight which is proportional to its value. So the point here is weight of the coin is proportional to its, directly variable to its value, it seems. Directly variable to its value. Okay. Now देखो इधर rupees 5 coin weighs 20 grams it seems. So 5 rupee coin weighs 20 grams. So by this proportionate thing, how much will be 1 rupee coin will weigh? You can easily find out this 1 rupee coin will weigh 4 grams. Am I right or wrong? Yes, 4 grams. Okay. Now find the minimum number of coins to get a total of 196.4 grams. First of all, let us convert this into value. So 1 rupee will weigh 4 grams. Now 196.4 grams will weigh how many rupees? Let me know the answer there. 196.4 grams will weigh how many rupees? 4 fours are 16, 4 nines are 36, 49.1 rupees. Now this number has to be in minimum number of coins. If you want to have minimum number of coins, automatically you have to take higher denomination coins. Let's take 5 rupee coins more. If I take 10 5 rupee coins, it becomes what? It becomes 50. So you can take only 9. So 9 5 rupee coins will give you 45 rupees. Yes. 2 rupee coins will give you 4 rupees. Next highest one. 49 rupees are over. Next, take 10 pice coin 1. Then automatically your 49.1 rupees over. Am I right or wrong? So totally how many coins did you got? Round off things are coins. 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 1 12, and your answer is 12. This is your answer. A option. Is it clear? Yes, perfectly done. So these are variable values, right? As we have done this. Now let's come to one more question. This is the finest question here, Agora based currency, right? This was asked in your examination, right? Let's see how many can solve this. Let's see how many can solve this. Waiting for this, the best question. So those who want to do the best question, this is the best question, right? Do try to solve it. Normal easy question. Those who can write down the data perfectly can easily solve this, or otherwise it will take more time. Forty seconds more. Twenty seconds more. Nobody. Manoj, answer yeah. Nobody. Yahoo, right? So see here, Agora is a currency. Agora is a currency which is available 5 ways. Very good. Very good. Very good. Agora is a currency which is available only in 3 denominations: 1 agora, 7 agora, and 21 agora. So what I will do is, let's take like this: number of 1 agora coins as X, number of 7 agora coins as Y, number of 21 agora coins as Z. Then what will you do? A person made a bill of 51 agoras in a restaurant if he uses at least one note of each denomination. So XYZ must not be 0 there. Yes, Manoj, it is right. In how many ways can he settle the bill is the question asked. Ab dekho, can I write down the equation like this? Finally, X into 1 is nothing but the amount that you gave in 1 agora. 7 into Y is nothing but the amount that you gave in 7 agoras. 21 into Z is nothing but the amount that you settled in 21 agoras, which will be equal to 51. So in this type of questions, start with the highest value. That will be very, very easy. Let's come with 21Z. See here, 21 3s are 63. So no, 21 2s are 42. This is the only chance, right? So Z have only two chances. Z is equal to 2, Z is equal to 1. If Z is equal to 2, automatically what will be the equation there? X plus 7Y is equal to 51 minus 42. Am I right or wrong? 51 minus 42 is nothing but equal to 9. So again, so see here, what will be your X value? If Z is equal to 2, what will be your X values? 7 can take only 1, Y can take value only 1. So if Y is equal to 1, your X value has to be 2. There is only one chance. Am I right or wrong? So X is equal to 2, Y is equal to 1, Z is equal to 2. This is the only chance. So let's keep it aside. Now, let's come to the next one where Z is equal to 1. If Z is equal to 1, my equation will become X plus 7Y. At least 1 is to be used. That's what? 1 only, na? This is the only one. X plus 7Y. X plus 7Y is equal to 51 minus 21 is nothing but equal to 30. Now what can highest value can Y take? 7 4s are 28. So if Y is equal to 4, then X value must be equal to 2. The next one, if Y is equal to 3, now dekho Y is equal to 21, 9, X is equal to 9. If Y is equal to 2, 7 2s are 14, then X value must be equal to 16. If Y is equal to 1, then automatically X value has to be how much? 23. Am I right or wrong? So how many values, how many ways did you got here? 4. Here only 1. Am I right? So finally your answer has to be 5. How many ways? 5 is the answer there. Perfectly done. Yes. So one of the finest questions, right? Done. Let's come to this RAR. Again, one of the finest question. Do try to answer this. Let us see how many can answer this. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Any answers? Agora is not villain here. Any answers? Nobody? Ab dekho what is the question asked there? Once observe the question carefully. Sachin buys some pens. 1 second, ma. 1 second. Is there any internet issue? Is there any internet issue? Please let me know that. Am I audible? Am I audible? Yes. Right, resolve. Okay, fine. So Sachin buys some pens, pencils and erasers using a certain amount of money, it seems. Okay. The total price of one pencil and one eraser is equal to price of one pen, it seems. Okay, let's take like this. Price. The point given here is the total price of one pencil plus one eraser is equal to one pen, it seems. So what I will do is, so I will take my price as A here, one pencil price as A, one pencil price, one eraser price as B, and one pen price will be A plus B. Okay, done. Now the point here is next one. He bought thrice as many pens as pencils, it seems. Thrice as many pens as pencils. Let's take the number like this. If I take my pencils as X, my number of pencils is X. Now how many pens? He bought thrice as many as pencils, it seems. So how many will be pens there? Pens will be 3x. Yes, finally done. And how many will be erasers? And half as many pencils as erasers. Half as many pencils as erasers. So eraser value, if you take eraser value as 2x, then automatically pencils will be half of erasers. Is it right? Perfectly done. So those who can write down this equation perfectly can answer the question very smoothly, or otherwise they will take time. That's the main agenda here. If he had exchanged the number of pens and erasers, he would have saved rupees 20 is the question asked, it seems. How much money did he spend on buying pencils is the question asked. Ab dekho, I'll write down like this. First of all, before exchanging, what is the price there? So they go, one pencil price is A. He bought X number of pencils. A into X is nothing but amount that he has invested on pencils. One eraser cost is B. So B2 into B into X. Okay. Now pen cost is A plus B. How many pens did he bought? 3X into A plus B. At last, finally, what will be the equation there? So they go that 3AX plus 3BX. 3bx is nothing but 5bx. Am I right or wrong? This is 4ax. 4ax plus 5bx. Is it 30 rupees? Sure. Let's see. After exchanging, I will write down the value here. After exchanging, what happened? Now see here, if he had exchanged the number of pens and erasers, So pencils, there is no change. Ax only, pencils, A into X. Ab dekho what happened there. Arranged the number of pens, erasers. Now pens will be 2x and erasers will be 3x. So pens will be, how pens cost is how much? A plus B. So 2x into A plus B. Next 3x into B. Yes, now finally what will be the equation there? Please anybody know? 2ax plus ax will be 3ax. At last this will be 5bx only. Now see here, the difference between these two is nothing but given as 20 rupees. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Ab dekho, difference between these two equations will be how much? 5bx gets cancelled. 4ax minus 3ax is nothing but how much? Ax. So your ax value is nothing but equal to 20 rupees. And this is your answer. How much money did he spend on buying pencils? How much money did he spend there? 20 rupees. Manoj, what mistake have you done there? Once check. Are you getting my point there? Yes, exact. Those who can write down the equations perfectly can solve the questions. Or otherwise, they'll take some time to solve this. Clear? Yes. Now, let's solve one best question here. This is also easiest question. So how many can solve this question? Manoj, we have solved this question in 2021 Supreme 50 questions. Do you know that? I will solve it, right? So how to solve it? That's what, right? In this type of questions, there is no mathematics here. Only thing is, if you will feel clumsy to calculate this, that's the only point there. Ab dekho, this is the point given there. A 20% ethanol solution. Now see here, you have an ethanol solution of 20% is mixed with another ethanol solution, say S percentage of unknown concentration. Now see here, you have mixed these two and you have prepared a mixture there. Am I right or wrong? And you don't know the value of the mixture. I will take the value of the mixture as X percentage. And now see here, these are mixed in 1:3 proportion, it seems. Ab dekho, this value is mixed with 1 part and this is mixed with 3 parts. Okay, done. Now again this mixture, now take down this mix. This mixture is again mixed with equal volumes of 20. This take down this mixture there. Now see here, this X percentage of mixture is now again filled with equal volume of 20% ethanol solution, it seems. Now these two are mixed. Now see here, in this mixture, how much of alcohol is there? 31.25, it seems. Ab dekho, again the point given here is these two are mixed in what proportion? With equal volume, it seems. Equal volume matlab this is 1 and this will also be 1. Am I right? Yes. I'll keep the arrow marks here to have a clear cut. Now ab dekho, either everybody now can solve this, right? 31.25 minus 20 will be how much, ma? Will it be 11.25? Yes. Now 31, now automatically this value will be higher, X minus 31.25. See here, can I calculate this? 11.25 is given as 1. X minus 31.25 is given as again 1. Now crisscross this, and what is the X value there? Is it 42.5? Yes. Merely substitute this 42.5 here because you got the X value there. And what is the question asked? Then the unknown concentration S value is the question. That's an easy one here. 42.5 minus 20.5 will be 22.5. And dekho either this value will be higher, S minus 42.5. And again the point given here is S minus 42.5 is mixed in 1 part. 22.5 is mixed in how much parts? 3 parts. Is it right? Yes. 3 ones are 3 sevens are 7.5. Is it right? Now crisscross this, and what is the value of S there? Is it 50%? Now see here, if you don't know alligation rule, automatically you have to take X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D values. Then automatically, as Manoj said, everything will be clumsy and the calculation will be very hard. And your option number 2 satisfies perfectly. Yesterday only we have seen this alligation rule. Right? How many of you are there in the class? Clear? Any doubt in this? So whatever the questions I have left out, please try to do. I will forward the notes today, right? So do try to get those things. Right. So how many of you can solve this? Let's do 2 more questions and then we'll end the session here. That's an easy one. Easy ratio based question. Let's see how many can solve this. Amal and Bimal in an examination 11:14, it seems. So again, those who can write down the data perfectly can easily solve it. Nobody, are easy questions here. You must not miss this type of questions. 3:4. There is no such option, Manoj, here. There is no such option there. 4:1 is also not there, Manoj. 4:3. 4:3 is there. At last, right? I have to conduct 3 times examination for you. Right? The scores of Amal and Bimal in an examination are in the ratio 11:14. Okay. So let's take like this Amal and Bimal. The ratio in the examination is, it is not 5:4 here. 11:14. Let me write it right. So let us take a common factor called x here. So the Amal score is 11x. Yes, you can use dividendo rule also. After an appeal, their score increased by same amount, it seems. I will take the same amount as A. Same amount, matlab if Amal score is increased by A number, and this will also increase by A number, yes, you can use dividend rule. And their new scores are in the ratio. Ab dekho, Amal's score is 11x plus A, new score. Bimal's score is 14x plus A. Am I right or wrong? And this new scores ratio are given as 47 divided by 56. Okay. Why dividendo here? Marks for all. The ratio of Bimal's new score to our original score. So you can do componendo rule, Manoj, right? Rather than dividendo, you will get dividendo negative value, na? So you can do it componendo, or otherwise, let us do one thing. Merely multiply it without no issues. That will be very easy task, na? 11 6 are 66, 11 5 are 55, 616x plus 56a is equal to, now how much is 47 14? You can do componendo rule. That is very easy. 658x plus 47a. Okay, now 658 minus 616 is 42. 42x is equal to 56 minus 47a is 9a. I can take a as 42x by 9. Now what is the question asked, right? What is the question asked? Can anybody say in the comment section box? The ratio of Bimal's new score. Bimal's new score is 14x plus 42x by 9. Ratio original score is how much? 14x. Ab dekho, 14 into 9 is nothing. How can it be all here? 14 into 9 is 126. So this is 126x. Now 126 plus 42 is how much? 168x. Solve this and you will get the answer, right? What is the answer there now? What is the answer there now? So 63. This is 80, 84. Can I write down this as 7 9s are 7 12s are? Are 4:3. 4:3. Achiever have given me the correct answer. I don't know what is his name. Manoj, rather than dividendo rule, go with componendo rule. Add those things, that will be very easy task. I think you got my point there. 4:3 is your answer here. No need to give marks for all. Done. One of the finest questions here. And this is very easy. So I will solve it, right? In a class of 20 students, the average age decreases by 2 years. Let's take like this. So let us take the normal average of the class is x. And the number of students is 20. So the sum will be how much? 20x. Now what happened? The average age is decreased. Now the present average is decreased by 2 years, which is nothing but x minus 2. A new student joined, it seems. So the total number will be 21. Now what will be the sum there? Sum will be 21x minus 42. Okay, now what happened? So this is first scenario, this is second scenario. Now what happened? 3 more students have joined, it seems. So 21 x minus 42 is the sum in the second iteration. Now 3 more students joined, 12 plus 13 plus 17. So totally what happened there? Now how many students are there totally? Can anybody say? 20 plus 1, 21 plus 3, 24. Totally 24 students. So they see here, this 42 gets cancelled. At last finally this is the new average, 21x by 24. The ratio of new average to original average is P by Q. Ab dekho, this is new average, original average is Q. So P by Q, where P and Q are co-primes it seems. Now what will be our answer there? P value is 21x by 24 and Q value is x. Finally I can write down this as x. So 7 comma 8 consecutive numbers are always co-prime numbers. 7 plus 8, P plus Q value is the question asked and your answer is 15. Is this the answer there? Did you got the same answer there? Q1 and this is P1. So dekho idhar, as not I am boasting myself, you cannot get these type of questions anywhere. You can check all the YouTube videos, you can check all the platforms, across all the platforms, right? I can challenge you, right? Done. And the answer is 15. This is easier one here. Let's do one toughest question. Yes. Let's solve this, then I'll end the session. Let's solve this, then I'll end the session. Manoj, challenge for you. Challenge by answer. What I say is, the question is lengthy, I accept it, but those who can write down the equations perfectly can answer the question, or otherwise it will take time. Seconds here. So the question is a tongue twister. Those who can write down the equations perfectly can answer the questions, or otherwise it will take time. Ten seconds more, Manoj. Answer. Find the average salary of all the employees. Nobody. Ab dekho, I'll write down the questions there. In a company, the ratio of male and female employees are 2:3. First of all, let's take a stance on this. Male, female. Now, as the ratio are given, I will take a common factor called x there. So there are 2x males and 3x females. Okay. Right. Each employee earns either 30,000 or 60,000 per month. Each employee, means male and female together. The ratio of average male salary to the female salary is 15:16. Okay. The ratio of number of males who make 60,000 to that of males who make rupees 30,000 is 1:4, it seems. So let's take like this, and another point is given this, and this ratio will take a common factor called y. So ab dekho, in males there will be two things there. 30, the males who make 30,000, males who make 60,000. So I'll give a partition here, so that's why you can have a clarity. Now females who make 30,000, females who make 60,000, and the point given here is the ratio of number of males who make 60,000 is Y. Then automatically how much will be 330k? It will be 2x minus y. 2x minus y. Now see here, females who make 30,000 means 30,000 is 4y. Then automatically 60k females will be how much? 3x minus 4y. Am I right or wrong? Yes, I think I made the clear cut demarcation here. Done. Now what is the point there? Now come to the upper point, the ratio of average male salary. Now they go to the female salary. First of all, what is the total salary made by average? Means sum of the terms divided by number of terms. Up they go, I'll write down the equation here and let me know that. So 2x minus y is number of males who make 30,000. Y are number of males who make 60,000. Into 60,000. Am I right or wrong? This is regarding males. So this is sum divided by number of terms is nothing but 2x divided by, again I'll write down female salary here. Female salary is, so see here, 4y will make 30,000. 4y females will make 30,000. And they go either 3x minus 4y will make 60,000 in females. So I am writing down the equation here. This is sum divided by number of terms. How many number of females are there? Totally 3x females are there, which is equal to 15 by 16 according to the given equation. Yes. So I can take 30,000 as common and I will slash down all those things. Yes. I can take 30,000 as common, right? If I take 30,000 as common, so I'll write down in the next equation, right? Now what will be the point there? If I take 30,000 as common, here what will be left over? 2y. Am I right or wrong? 2y will be left over. Can I write down this 2y plus, now here 2x minus y will be there. 2x minus y will be there. Into, up they go, denominator x and x cancel and this 3 comes to the numerator, into 3 divided by, again come to the denominator there. What happens here? 60,000, 2 will be left over. 2 into 3, 6x minus 8y. 6x minus 8y. And what about the remaining value? Here 4y. Am I right? Plus 4y. Into 2 will be left over here. Yes, very good. Which is equal to 15 by 16. And I can do one thing, 3 1s are, 3 5s are, 2 1s are, 2 8s are. At last finally this is y plus 2x, 2x plus y into 8 is equal to, here 8y minus 2y, right? 6x is nothing but 30x minus, so 4y na minus 20y. Did you got any equation there? Yes. At last finally 14x is equal to 28y will be there, and they go there, and your x value will be equal to how much? 2y. Done. Now what is the question asked here? You are asked to find out average salary of all the employees. Average salary of all the employees. Let's see how many make 60,000. In the place of y, can I write down? At the place of y, I'll keep it as y only. In the place of y, the place of x, can I make it as 2y? 6y, so in the place of x, I will make it as 2y. So automatically, what will be the final thing there? 2y. Am I right or wrong? So totally how many employees make 60,000? Y plus 2y will be 3y. Am I right or wrong? So 60,000 into 3y, total employees will make 60,000 plus how many will make 30,000? Please let me know. This is the final question asked. 30,000 into, they go there again. Can I substitute 2y here? Yes. If I substitute 2y, this will be 3y. 3y plus, am I right? 30k. 4y, 3y, and this is 7y. 30,000 into 7y divided by 10y. 3y plus 7y will be 10y. Now finally what will be the answer there? So this is 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 18, finally your answer will be 39,000. Am I right or wrong? Now this is the average salary obtained by the employee. Average salary of an employee. Got the point there? Yes. Perfectly done. अब देखो माँ, those who are not able, those who can't sit down for 1.5 hours, 2 hours, what I am doing is, I am getting short videos, right, which is for 15, 10 minutes, right? Do watch those videos for techniques. That will be very, very helpful for you, right? Not for me. And as Telugu guys are not able to sit for 2 hours, we made this, right, short videos, right? At least watch for those 10 minutes. You will get the things, right? Now see here, many professors are watching our videos here. I don't know why students are not watching, right? Yes. Yesterday one professor called me to that I is watching my videos, it seems. Alright. So do try to use it. So if I am not there and you cannot get any substitute for me. So let's solve the remaining questions tomorrow. Tomorrow we will be starting reasoning topics here, calendars, direction sense, and these questions also. Right. And those who want the notes, please download it from this Telegram group, or otherwise all the Telegram groups links are there in the description, right? Join whatever Telegram group you want. I will forward the notes there. You can download it. So those who are preparing for ESE, I have done project management, standard quality practice, ecology, ethics completely on Creatrix and mechanical channel. Do watch in the playlist, right? Don't scroll down the channel, right? Go to the playlist and observe the videos. Everything was done. Right, and those who are waiting for technical training, right? Ravindra Babu Ravula sir is doing technical training in this Unacademy Com Science channel. Do try to watch those videos, right? As we are doing non-technical here. And those who want geography, history for RRB SSC examination, this is the channel there. Go watch it. Done. And what I request you is, if you want to unlock free classes on Unacademy, yes, you can use my code NLN 10. And those who want to watch by plus subscription, you can use my code, and iconic, yes, you can use my code, right? And see here, as a deal in UPSC, CAT and GATE, you can use the code for any of these courses. And for all the courses it is applicable. And already the date was revealed, 10% is going to decrease to 5% by 28th midnight. Date is also revealed, right? Do try to subscribe it. And this is for plus, and this is for iconic. Sorry, 45,225. Clear? Thank you, and let's meet tomorrow with direction sense, and let's see. I will not make you do northwest, northeast direction sense questions, ma'am. I will make you to solve the best questions which you are not ever seen. Right? Which you have never seen such type of questions. I will make you to solve. Tomorrow sharp 5 p.m. So today I have a little bit power issue, so made it as 6 p.m. Our normal timings is 5 p.m. only, right? I will not clash with this. So if you like the session, just like the video, share the session, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with the best.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.